Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Kandi figure, only ways. Start by picking a compact pattern and laying out beads by color on a pegboard. Work row by row and count beads to match your sketch for accuracy. Keep elastic tension even and test stretch before finishing. Use a secure knot and trim excess carefully. Take breaks to avoid mistakes and enjoy the crafting process with a relaxed pace. I will explain shaping techniques that make your Kandi figure look crisp and last longer. Focus on bead placement, stacking beads snugly so edges remain defined. For bigger sections, use doubled elastic to prevent sagging and to add resilience. When finishing, cinch knots close to beads and add a small drop of clear glue if desired. These small adjustments keep the figure sturdy and ready to wear or display with pride. I will help you finish your Kandi figure with neat professional touches anyone can do at home. Tuck knots inside a bead or a design element so the exterior looks clean. Consider adding a keyring, clip, or elastic loop to turn the piece into wearable art. Trim cord ends carefully and melt or glue them to prevent fraying. These finishing moves elevate your work from craft to cherished accessory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.